In this video, we're learning how to play our Resource Detector activity. You will need the instructions from fissionlearning.ca, our resource questionnaire, our resource grids, example resources, and pens. Let's get started! Start by filling out the questionnaire for each resource that you chose. Each questionnaire has 4 questions. Who wrote the article? Why did they write the article? Where did they get their information? And does the information make sense? Read over the articles and respond to the questions based on what you think is the right answer. Once you're done with that, we're going to move on to our resource grids. Each axis in a resource grid contains a question. Mark your sheet at the response that matches the one on your questionnaire. Do this for the question on the x-axis and the y-axis. Once you have both points marked, draw a circle where the coordinates meet. This point is where the source lies, and in this case, it was at the center. We labeled it for future reference. Repeat this with the other 2 questions on Resource Grid 2. Once you're done both grids, compare them and see where your source lies. In this case, our source was in the coordinate labeled a good place to start. This means that while the source isn't perfect, it could give you general information about the subject. We then repeated this process for all of our sources, marking on the same grids each time. At the end of this process, we ended up with 4 sources on the 2 grids. We found that both National Geographic and textbooks were a good resource, whereas a bad resource would be Yahoo Answers, and that resource that was a good place to start was Wikipedia. I hope you have fun learning more about the resources you use by playing this game. If you play this game, be sure to send me photos on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Fission Learning. Thanks for watching this Fission Learning video. To check out more Fission Learning content, go to fissionlearning.ca. And as always, thanks to the NSERC for all of their support.